Today we're making Jello Jigglers. Ready? Wiggle. So for this, we will need 2 packages of Jello, whatever flavor. We have orange and a Jello non-flavor thing. 2.5 cups of boiling water and a 9 to 13 inch pan. So let's get started. First, you want to cut the Jello packages open and pour it on the pan. And then Sadie, you want to dump it in? Dump it in. Oh, that looks so weird. Don't put your hand in it. Yeah, now your hands are all messy. And you're going to get some germs in it. What? This time don't put your hand in it, okay?
So what's it? Oh, that.
So, be very careful with this. It can make every food go non-flavorless. Okay, dump it in. And dump it in now. Oh, that made it just made it look like a candy versus no. Do that. Okay? This is the hard part. Oh, that looks weird. It's like turning like bright orange when you dump it in. Stir it up with this. Now I need to stir it up.
And me have that too?
No, I'm just gonna stir it up, okay?
Okay.
You need to stir it up good.
Make it smell.
That's too fast. Slow down a little. Yeah, that's good. So now we're gonna take our Jello and pour it in the 13 to 9 inch pan. Make sure it is slightly greased. We use oil to grease ours. I'm doing this part because this water is kind of hot, so.
It's heavy now. Got heavy. It's on. It's on. It's on. It's on. It's on. It's on. It's on.
It smells like gel. Now we're gonna let it sit in the fridge for 3 hours and then
What?
yeah. We'll see you again and in an hour. Part 2-ish part. Welcome back to part 2, and we have another Jello that we made. I think it's like a cherry or strawberry kind. And we have a heart cookie cutter, like a flower type of one.
And
We don't know what this is, but we're gonna use it
And a
anyway.
heart.
A star, 4-leaf clover,
down
and like a teddy bear. So then, when you're done cutting all of your Jello pieces out, oh, and you should try to make them like close together, so then you're not wasting that much Jello. So then, when you're done that, you can put it all on a plate. But before you put it on the plate, don't use your hands to take them out. Use spatula because. So let's get started. So now that we've shaped it all, we have then spatulaed out the heart, and like now that we decided that we would spatula them all and then spatula them. So let's get started on that, and yeah. So now that we've done it all, look, we still have some extras because we had a lot and we didn't expect it to fill up the whole plate with that much, but it just happened. So now, which one do you want? We're gonna have a taste test. Okay, you can have that. I think I'm gonna go for this heart also. Let's go right. Yummy. Yummy, right? Really yummy.
Scary.